This is the Best Foot Forward May 2022 Beauty Box. We have some amazing goodies in this box for you. How cute is this Beauty Society magnet? New product alert, introducing the Happy Feet Enzyme Mask. Put your best foot forward this summer with soft and smooth feet. This is our Fake ID resurfacing serum. It's perfect for reversing the signs of sun damage, fine lines, enlarged pores, hyperpigmentation, and wrinkles. This month you received a full-size bottle of Our Little Secret, a firming and wrinkle repair serum. We have some handy travel size products of some of our top sellers. It's time to put your game face on. This crease reversing, wrinkle erasing cream delivers comparable results to facial injections. Anytime, anywhere works with the skin's natural moisturizing lipids, perfectly balancing all skin types. This incredible nutrient oil also reprograms dry skin for long-lasting softness with regular use. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out your promo code that came in your beauty box.